નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Student, today we are going to start Standard 6 Social Science, Chapter number 14, Unity in Diversity. Student, today our first topic is Unity of Diversity. So first we will understand what is the meaning of diversity. Diversity means different, something different. Our country is a country of diversity. So India is very big, very large country, and there is a diversity. Means there are different type of people living. Their religion is different, their language is different, their caste is different, and they are also not equal in a socialization. Means economic they are not equal, but they are living unity. So we will talk about that. It has a unique identity having diversity in religion, language, caste and economic equality. So what is their diversity? Means what is different? So it is different in religion, and in India there are many religion, and Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, all type of people living in here. And languages in India, different states have a different languages. Maybe around 120 languages are there, and most of we spoke 20 to 22 languages. But every state has their own languages. And caste is also different. And economic equality means some are poor, some are rich, so some are middle class person. So but in spite of all this unequality, but we are living in unity. So this is the point why our country is a country of diversity. Means our country have a many diversity, means many different things, which are our language, our religion, our caste is different, but we are living in unity. Apart from food, all this is different, but food, festival, customs, ritual means our behavior. And attire variation means our cloth is different, is also seen in social life. In our social life, we can see our food. Gujarati food is different, South Indian food is different, North Indian food is different. So our food is also different. Festival also we are celebrated, but state-wise something is nationalized festivals. We all celebrate this festivals. Customs, what is the custom? It is also different. And ritual, our behavior is also different. Different people, different behavior. And attire variation means cloth different is also there. In South India, most of we see there are some ladies wearing sari, gents wearing dhoti, kurta, and in Punjab, Gujarat, all states have their wearing different clothes. So we see in social life. Let's see what we can do for unity and equality in our country to make our country in unity and to become all person equal. So let's see what we can do for it. The diversity which is seen in India is rarely seen in other country of the world. Diversity seen in Indians means in India we can see many diversities, many differences, but in compared to other countries it is different. India has become a subcontinent. Subcontinent means small continent. Why India is not small continent, but why it become subcontinent, small continent? Because we are unity, we have unity, we are united. So we are not make different, that you are other religion, so you are not belong to in our caste or something. We are not make them unequality. So because of this, our unity, our differences, but we make our India in subcontinent, means small continent. In our country, diversity is seen in the color complexion. Color complexion means color appearance. Skin color is also different. Attire, we all know, attire means clothes, religion, languages, and our food is also different. From Kashmir, where it is Kashmir located? Kashmir it is Kashmir is in in North India. And Kanyakumari. Where is Kanyakumari? Where Kanyakumari is located in South India. Same thing Gujarat. Where is Gujarat located? It is in West. Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. So it means in India we can see diversity from north to south and west to east. We are talking about religion. People having faith in different religion live in our country. Our country is India and there are many different type of people living and different people have different religions. So which they are faith, which they are belong, they are following that type of religion. Which type of religion there are? People following various religion like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism. Jainism is the religion of the Jewish people. Then Buddhism and last one is Zoroastrianism. It is religion found in Zoroaster. So all these religions are different, but they live together harmoniously. Means they are living together peacefully. In spite of the religious of diversity, their religion are totally different, but they are living diversity. Means different religion are there, but they are living in unity. All the religions are given equal importance in our country with good intention. Intention means emotional. What are their intention? Emotional. That all can practice or follow their religion equally. So they all type of religions they are following in India and also they have equality. So there is no difference in the religion that Hindu is the very best, Islam is the second, third one is there is no unequality, but they are living equality. So all the people are living in diversity. So next one is language. There are many languages like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia and Onti. These are languages are spoken in our country. Actually there are 122 languages, but most of 20 or 22 languages are only spoken. In spite of existing diversity in language, various languages have important to maintain unity of diversity. It means that in India there are many languages they are spoken, but there is no difference and all are give equality. And in spite of existing diversity in languages, various languages have important to maintain unity of our country. To maintain a unity, they are allowed and each state have their own languages. Now next one is culture. Culture diversity is widely seen in our country due to differences in religion and languages. Our religion and languages are totally different, but for culture, we can say culture diversity can easily be seen in various regions or states. There are different states in a different culture. In Gujarat there is a different culture. If you are going to South India there is also different culture. But to maintain unity, so our India they are giving equality. So there is no differences for religion and languages and for culture. People living in different part of the country and celebrate festival. Which are their celebrating festival like Diwali, Holi, Uttarayan, Dasera, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, Ashadi Buj, Moharam, Buddha Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, Onam, Pateti and Baisakhi. All type of festival we are allowed and all people in a different state they are celebrating this festival. Things to know, people living in different parts of our country have expertise in different types of dance like Ras Garba. It is in Gujarat. We all know and all Gujaratis are fond of Ras Garba. Then Bhangra in Punjab, Kathak, it is in Uttar Pradesh. Kuchipudi, it is in Andhra Pradesh. Kathakali, it is a dance of Kerala. Bharatnatyam, it is also dance of Tamil Nadu. Bihu, it is in Assam. Odissi is in Odisha. Ghumar dance, it is in Rajasthan. Along with diversity, there are also many variations. Variation means variety in people's food, attire means clothes, residence, customs and tradition, etc. India has become a country with diversity because of geographical factors like climate, topography, farming, forest, etc. So along with the diversity, with also many diversity means differences in varieties of people's food. First one is food is different, attire means cloth is different, then resident, customs means different type of rit rivaj, and traditions means what they are cloth wearing, etc. India has become a country with diversity. Diversity means differences because of. Why it is different? Because of geographical factor. Like which type of factor? Like climate, topography means detail of graphicals, and farming. We also know what is farming and forest, etc. Thank you for joining us.